Okay, guys, this is Kedar Nimbalkar. I have a small YouTube channel. Uh, my YouTube account, my Google account, all that is hacked. And this is not just me. You can see 11 minutes ago, someone's channel is hacked. 12 minutes ago, 1 hour ago. This is very bad situation going on right now on YouTube. So guys, today I just want to spread some awareness, what you should do, what you shouldn't do. So let's get to the points right now. So first thing, you have to I'm going to tell you four things that will prevent your account from get scammed. And if you got scammed, I will tell you the remedy for that. It's not a complete remedy, like my account is still hacked right in this moment, but uh, whatever best you can do, I'm going to tell you, and that's what I did. So let's see. First thing, if you recently got any sponsorship software email saying that they want a 30-second video to get sponsored onto your YouTube account, they will pay you for that. Don't trust this email. Do not trust these emails. Into the email, they have a malicious file. It may be a small little file, but if you open up this file even accidentally, it will execute all the hacking kind of a magicry, trickery, scam into your computer. And what this will do, it will enable hacker to get into your YouTube and Google account. And saddest part about this, after hacker gets into your account, somehow they know how to disable your two-step authentication and update your contact details, update your recovery email. So you can't recover your account. You can't recover your account by recovery email. That's not, it's not that easy. It's not that easy. Yesterday when I saw this, you can just see, guys, I'm just scrolling through this YouTube posts, sorry, the Twitters. You can see many people are the victim of this scam. So yeah, the second thing I want to tell you, enable two-step authentication to your Google account, YouTube account. This will prevent hacker from directly getting access. It's kind of some kind of a physical barrier. They need your phone to get the access. And another related thing to this, uh, do not download any malicious Android software or things like that from third party sites, or from email and things like that. Hacker might have developed Android softwares for this, so please do not open up any of those. After these third thing, you have to update your contact details. So like your phone number should be latest updated, and should be active, and so that your two-step authentication can work. Also change your or update your recovery email address. Your recovery email address should have a different password and all that. That should be a common sense, obviously. And yeah, and I highly recommend you guys, should you do not keep the recovery email account onto the same PC that you run onto your YouTube account. So what this will do, it will prevent hacker from getting the access of the that recovery email as well. So that's one thing. And then after updating your contact details, the fourth thing you can do, you can update your business contact email that is usually found on to the about section of your YouTube channel page. Please keep this email ID different than your YouTube's email, Gmail account, whatever. So yeah, this uh, these four things you can do. Now let's say you are already hacked, your account is gone. Now what you should do is pretty simple. You can already see, guys, many people are tweeting to Team YouTube. You can see here, I need a quick help, my YouTube account is hacked. You have to tweet at YouTube, whatever, Google, YouTube, then team YouTube, that's very important. Team YouTube, @team YouTube, this is very important. What this will do, after you tweet at them, they will DM you, directly message you, and into the direct message you can communicate all the details that the YouTube community requires. And thing is that already this is what is going on with my situation, so I'm going to tell you this. So they will communicate and require you for this information when your account was hacked, things like that, some details and all that. They might put you temporary hold on your account. Like, this is a very case specific, so I can't assure you this. But let's say in my account, it was like, when the scammer got into my account, he did a live stream. It was something like a McAfee antivirus type of live stream, and yeah, this kind of stuff, it was very bad. And it was quite interesting enough that the live stream had like a 4.5k views instantly. Like, what's going on, I don't know. Like, usually my channel gets about 1,000 views in a day. Like, very small channel, I have very small channel, but uh, how they are doing it is out of my mind, as at least. So yeah, uh, then okay, so after you tweet at the YouTube, you can see they will DM you. You have to provide the things, the evidences and all that. Right now you can just see, I'm right now scrolling through the hacking. Right now I'm just scrolling through the tweets, and it's pretty bad situation, guys. As you can see, it does not stop. It's not gonna stop that easily. Right now I'm talking to you, many people are being scammed, so I thought I will just make the video. If this video will reach, this is their good luck that they saw this video and might give say might get avoided by this hack. Like, I'm totally, guys, gone, guys. See, please see, if your YouTube account is all the income source that you have, like, this is the pretty bad situation. And even more the COVID-19 situation, like, it's pretty bad. So guys, and my all Gmail information, my other stuff, all is gone right for now. I don't know if that's gonna be recovered or not. I will keep you updated on that. But and one more thing, like, I can see many people, one or two people have did a video, and that those people are quite good enough, big enough channels. They did a video and they got same scam trick, and they downloaded a software and they got scammed. YouTube account is hacked, Gmail is hacked, whatever. And you can see, guys, these people are losing money and all that. This is very dangerous stuff. Like, so the guy I was telling you about, his YouTube account, he's trying to communicate at YouTube community tweets, like, from 6 like about 8 months, 6 to 8 months. And occasionally he gets a reply, but still his account is not back on track. So yeah, like, onto some accounts, hackers are uploading many thousands of scamming videos, scam photos, malicious kind of videos and all that stuff. So it's pretty bad, guys. I just want you to be safe. These are just my tips, like, um, whatever best I can do right now. This is it. Once I will get an update, I will let you know. Please share this video. Please guys, share this video somehow. And if someone gets if someone watches this video before opening that scam email, that would be nice, cause already the kind of a load YouTube community is facing. They might not able to recover all that account, guys. If this get more and more, if they can't keep up with that. Already, YouTube uh, creators community, they all have too much amount of load. YouTube is pretty big site. So please guys, I highly request you, I beg you to share this video somehow. Get your friends saved from this scam. Please guys, please. And do not open up any software sponsorship email. This is it, guys. I will let you updated on the other thing.